All right, here's something you didn't know you needed, but trust me, you do. Look at this sleek design. It's giving modern, it's giving minimal, and it's giving I have great taste. The price? Yeah, it's a steal. Premium quality at a wallet-friendly cost, and it's versatile AF. Home, office, gift, yes, yes, and yes. It's stylish, practical, and always ready to impress. More deets in the description below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're first in line for all the good stuff. Later.